I've never been anywhere else that's so in love with books. Like, there's literally quotes in the sidewalk downtown.
We have a number of opportunities to study writing, to engage in writing in a way that is unmatched.
Iowa invented the workshop method, and it's a method that now everyone uses around the country and, in fact, the world.
What that provides is a chance to learn how to avoid some of the pitfalls that some of us didn't recognize or learn until we were in graduate school.
The foundation of skills that you get in our program really helps prepare you for a lot of different types of jobs and pathways, some of which we may not even know about yet.
Writing, talking, presenting, they're huge skills that you can really apply to any job. You come here and you have professors, they're just fine-tuning those things to make you the best.
My communication and my writing skills have grown so much since coming to the university.
For us, we were always thinking, let's stay in Iowa, let's see what opportunities we can make for ourselves. It was the total right decision for us.
I honestly wouldn't be sitting here had I not come through the university, had the experiences that I had here.
In any career, the most successful people are the best communicators.